Wembley Stadium is more than just a sporting arena. It's a modern architectural marvel and a global symbol of British excellence. Rising from the site of the original Wembley, once known for its iconic Twin Towers, the current stadium redefined the skyline with its towering arch and cutting-edge design. From football finals to sold-out concerts, it has become the beating heart of UK events, attracting millions of fans from around the world. The stadium's transformation came with a monumental price tag of $1.25 billion, reflecting the scale and ambition behind its creation. This investment wasn't just financial, it was cultural. Designed to inspire national pride and redefine what a stadium could be, Wembley was built as a statement that Britain could blend heritage with innovation, and that the new era of global entertainment would have a home rooted in London. It stands today not only as a place where legends are made, but as a landmark of modern achievement. Wembley Stadium isn't just an iconic sports venue, it's an architectural and engineering triumph that represents the future of stadium design. From its imposing arch to its spectator-centric innovations, every element was constructed with precision, purpose, and cutting-edge technology. The iconic arch, at 133 meters tall and spanning 315 meters, Wembley's arch is the largest single-span roof structure in the world. It serves both symbolic and functional purposes, instantly recognizable as a visual trademark while also playing a vital structural role. The arch supports the entire north roof and 60% of the south roof, which allowed designers to eliminate the need for interior columns. This innovation ensures all 90,000 seats offer unobstructed views regardless of their position in the stadium. The arch itself is visible across London on clear days, making it a beacon of modern sport and design. Retractable roof design. Wembley's roof is a feat of both scale and efficiency. Weighing 7,000 tons, it features a partially retractable design that can open or close in roughly 15 minutes. This functionality protects the pitch from weather extremes and adapts the space for multiple types of events, from football matches and concerts to NFL games and boxing bouts. The flexibility not only enhances playing conditions but also preserves the iconic Wembley grass, ensuring longevity and consistent quality. Seating and visibility spectator experience was at the heart of Wembley's design. With a seating capacity of 90,000, it's the largest stadium in the UK and the second largest in Europe. The steeply raked tiers ensure that fans, whether in the front row or upper deck, have clear sightlines to the pitch. The absence of obstructive columns, thanks again to the arch and roof design, means that no seat is compromised. From the acoustics to the ergonomics of the seats, every detail was considered to deliver maximum comfort and engagement. Together, these elements elevate Wembley beyond just a venue. It's a benchmark in stadium architecture. It combines form, function, and innovation, redefining what the modern stadium experience can be for fans, athletes, and performers alike. Building the new Wembley Stadium was no small feat. Behind its sleek, modern exterior lies a complex story of engineering ambition, technological integration, and the trials that come with creating one of the world's premier venues. The road to completion was filled with both innovation and adversity, foundation and materials. Wembley's foundations were designed to support not only the massive structure, but also the longevity of the venue for decades to come. Construction required an immense volume of resources. 90,000 cubic meters of concrete and 23,000 tons of steel were used throughout the build. These materials were supported by a forest of 4,000 foundation piles, some driven as deep as 35 meters below ground to ensure maximum stability on the often soft London clay. This robust foundation was essential in supporting the colossal arch and roof, as well as the tiered seating and surrounding infrastructure. Technological implementations. Modern technology was deeply embedded in the stadium's DNA. Wembley was outfitted with two massive video screens, each comparable to the size of 600 household televisions, providing high-definition visuals to even the highest tiers. It was also among the first stadiums to include a dedicated 5G network, allowing tens of thousands of fans to stream, post, and connect seamlessly during events. Furthermore, its innovative LED lighting system not only enhances energy efficiency, cutting power consumption by 40% compared to traditional systems, but also enables dynamic lighting for concerts and night events, contributing to a fully immersive atmosphere. Construction hurdles. Despite its grand vision, the road to completion was marred by numerous setbacks. A tragic accident in 2004 resulted in a worker's death, casting a shadow over the project and raising safety concerns. Additionally, technical issues emerged during the construction phase, including buckled sewers and the collapse of roof rafters, which triggered substantial delays and inflated costs. Originally slated for completion in 2003, the stadium wasn't officially opened until 2007, 4 years behind schedule and significantly over budget. These difficulties sparked criticism, but also served as learning experiences in managing mega projects of this scale. In the end, these obstacles did not diminish Wembley's status as an architectural and technological landmark. Instead, they underscore the complexity involved in building a venue of such scale and ambition, making its final form all the more impressive. Wembley Stadium was designed not just as a football ground, but as a true multi-purpose venue. Its structure and layout allow for a wide variety of events, making it one of the most flexible arenas in the world. In addition to being the home of English football and regularly hosting the FA Cup final and England internationals, it has become a go-to destination for American football fans, having hosted numerous NFL International Series games since 2007. Its adaptable design also accommodates world-class concerts featuring global icons such as Beyoncé, Coldplay, and Ed Sheeran, with acoustics and stage configurations optimized for musical performances. Although it was originally planned to feature a removable athletics track to allow for Olympic-level events, this concept was eventually scrapped. Still, its ability to switch formats, from pitch to performance, solidifies its role as a cornerstone of live global entertainment. Wembley's presence has been transformative for the surrounding area. The stadium's redevelopment was a catalyst for massive investment in the London borough of Brent, resulting in new housing, retail centers, hospitality infrastructure, and improved transportation links, including the nearby Wembley Park underground station. It has contributed significantly to local employment, tourism, and hospitality revenue. Events held at Wembley draw millions of visitors annually, many of whom contribute to the economy by staying in local hotels, dining in restaurants, and shopping in the area. The stadium is also integrated into the community through educational and outreach programs facilitated by the Football Association FA, promoting youth development and sports engagement at the grassroots level. Despite its achievements, Wembley Stadium has not escaped criticism. Some longtime fans and cultural commentators argue that the heavy commercial involvement, from naming rights and VIP lounges to expensive ticket tiers and corporate sponsorships, has distanced the stadium from its working-class roots. To them, the spirit of the people's game feels diluted in a venue that prioritizes corporate hospitality and executive experiences. The balance between maintaining an elite global standard and preserving the original atmosphere of traditional football is delicate, and for some, the modern Wembley leans too far into commercial interests. Nevertheless, others contend that such commercial investments are necessary for maintaining the stadium's global status and funding ongoing community initiatives. Sponsorships and high-end ticketing options provide revenue streams that allow Wembley to remain cutting edge in terms of technology and services. Wembley continues to be the site of profound national moments, from memorable cup finals to historic concerts like Live Aid's predecessor in 2007. Its name alone evokes emotion and nostalgia. Whether through its monumental design, global events, or local impact, Wembley has established itself as a cultural icon, a place where history is written, rewritten, and celebrated by generations to come. Wembley Stadium is more than a venue. It's a statement of national pride, architectural brilliance, and cultural significance. From its sweeping arch to its cutting-edge technology, it reflects the evolution of stadium design while honoring a rich legacy of unforgettable events. Despite debates about commercialization, Wembley remains an iconic landmark where history is made and remembered. Its blend of tradition and innovation ensures its place at the heart of global entertainment and sport. If you enjoyed this deep dive into one of the world's most iconic stadiums, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content that explores architecture, culture, and the stories behind legendary places.